Discover the skies with the S160 Drone, a professional-grade quadcopter designed to deliver an exceptional aerial photography experience for adults and enthusiasts alike. This foldable drone boasts an impressive 8K HD camera, unique screen control, comprehensive 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, and a host of intelligent features, making it an ideal gift and a powerful tool for capturing stunning visuals. Stunning 8K HD dual cameras with electric adjustment. The S160 Drone is equipped with built-in high-definition dual cameras, promising to capture incredibly sharp and detailed photos and videos from above with its 8K HD camera. A key feature for aerial photographers is the electric angle adjustment mode, allowing the front lens to be precisely adjusted by the remote control up to 90 degrees, ensuring more comprehensive and dynamic framing for your shots. The ability to view the feed directly on the screen-controlled remote enhances the immersive FPV experience. Intelligent flight and comprehensive obstacle avoidance. Fly with supreme confidence thanks to the S160's advanced flight systems. It features a brushless motor, which provides greater power, efficiency, and durability for stable flight. The optical flow positioning function ensures stable hovering, especially useful in indoor environments. What truly sets the S160 apart is its four-sided obstacle avoidance function, actively detecting and helping the drone navigate around obstructions from all directions, significantly reducing the risk of collisions and providing immense peace of mind during flight. Stable control and dynamic maneuvers. The S160 is designed for easy and precise control. With 6 channels and a gyroscope, it allows for comprehensive flight movements including ascending or descending, moving forward or backward, turning left or right, flying left or right sideways, and fine-tuning in all directions, ensuring stable flight and ease of operation for various skill levels. It also features speed gears that can be switched freely, allowing you to adjust the drone's agility to match your preference or the environment. Smart features for enhanced flying. The S160 is packed with intelligent functions that simplify operation and add excitement to your flights. Wi-Fi connectivity. Connect to a Wi-Fi system to take pictures, record videos, and enjoy real-time transmission to your mobile device. Emergency stop. Provides an immediate halt in critical situations for enhanced safety. Track flight. Draw a flight path on your screen via the app, and the drone will autonomously follow the designated route. Headless mode eliminates the need to distinguish the drone's direction, making control intuitive for beginners. LED night lights. The fuselage is equipped with vibrant LED night lights that can be changed freely, adding a cool visual effect and assisting with orientation during low-light flights. You can also turn off the colorful lights by long pressing the remote control. Compact, foldable and portable design. Designed for ultimate convenience, the S160 features foldable arms and wind blades. This allows the drone to be collapsed into a much smaller volume, making it incredibly convenient to carry out to your next flying adventure. Key features and highlights. Brushless motor with optical flow positioning. Screen-controlled dual cameras with 8K HD resolution. Electric angle adjustment, 90 degrees, for the front lens. Four-sided, 360 degrees, obstacle avoidance. 6 channels with gyroscope for stable and easy control. Wi-Fi connectivity for real-time transmission, photos, and videos. Emergency stop and track flight. Adjustable speed gears. Headless mode function. LED night lights with changeable colors. Foldable arms and wind blades for portability. The S160 Drone offers a compelling blend of high-resolution 8K camera capabilities, comprehensive obstacle avoidance, stable flight systems, and user-friendly controls, all within a portable and durable design. It's an excellent choice for anyone seeking a capable and exciting drone for aerial photography and immersive flight experiences. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more drone reviews and flying tips.